We see a genuine willingness in the collective consciousness. We see there's a desire upon these ones to know love in their everyday experience and to live life from a fulfilled perspective. The desire for family, happiness, connection, community, service, understanding is within these ones, and there is a willingness in these ones to be examples of that. And in each of the individuals gathered here today, there is a strength in this as well. We see there's a thirst for intimate connection, and there's a depth of kindness that has been developed and has been nurtured in these ones that is shared. We see this is what has drawn these ones together at this point in time. It is their understandings in kindness that they have to offer each other as well as the world. We see the need for this group is a recognition of their own inherent power, in the sense that it is simple to create. It is simple to manifest the ideal lifestyle that these ones want, so long as they focus on kindness to themselves and kindness to others. It is in the simplicity that these ones will be able to create. This is all.